ACTC is a touchless facial and thermal recognition camera that can recognize faces as well as read accurate body temperatures. Here's what you'll find inside the box: the mounting bracket, a bag of screws, and the axis control thermal camera. Align both sides of the mounting bracket together and fasten it with the 4 screws provided. After this, slide the mounting bracket and secure it with the Torx key. Connect the 12-volt 3-amp power adapter and the lane cable. Connect the access control wires.
Temperature is normal. Pass please. Step closer please.